The semiconductor we have today and semiconductor we had in the 1970s are very different. You look at the iPhone. Well, now every country realized that, look, if we want security or sovereignty, we better build our own semiconductor plants. So TSMC now has 2 plants in Arizona. One is up and running. TSMC has 2 plants in Japan. One is running, another one is operational, still under planning. Europe, there's one in Berlin. So every country now believes that they must have certainty of supply. In the good days of economy, of the outsource everything is no longer valid. So Mr. Trump has put a lot of pressure on TSMC to move into America. Yeah. So when they move to Arizona, the biggest challenge for TSMC in America is, where are the 500 engineers? A semiconductor industry, a fab is about 4 billion to 8 billion per plant. You run 24/7. There's no thank God it's Thursday or Friday. You run 24/7, which means you must have 3 shifts or 4 shifts. You must have engineers, technicians in the plant 24/7. If a young American boy is thank God it's Thursday, I don't want to work. I don't like surf. So TSMC has sent 500 engineers there. Now, the key cost of TSMC in America will double the cost in Taiwan. Now, China has a lower cost, enough supply of engineers. As far as concerned, China is key to move up the ladder. And I think China will catch up. For countries in Europe now, they're worried. We better do our own semiconductor plant because America can sanction embargo. So the demand for semiconductor engineers today is very high.